What's up, everybody? Quick reminder, do that workout, go on that run that you skipped, do those push-ups, do those jumping jacks. Hey, it don't require a lot at all. 10 minutes out of your day, that's all you need. If you can do more, do more. As always, something is better than nothing. Consistency can be built off of 5-minute workouts. Just get something in, do what you can do, listen to your body, and you can be just fine. You need some ideas, check out this quick workout. Quick and simple workout, guys. Copy some of those movements if you need some ideas for your workout, especially if you don't have any equipment at all at home. But like I said, guys, you gotta work with what you got. Not everybody has equipment, not everybody has a gym membership. There's no excuse at all to not get healthy and focus on your health. So get it in, guys. If you're looking for some ideas to expand your workout ideas at home, check out jphomestrength.com. I have several follow-along workouts that you can do with or without equipment. Dumbbell workouts, kettlebell workouts, body weight HIIT. Especially, like I said, if you don't have any equipment, definitely have something for everybody on there. So check it out. It'll be linked down below. I appreciate y'all. We'll catch y'all on the next one.